Hello YouTube, this is a huge silicone silicone mat or pad or desk mat that I got sent from Banggood, and it is so big it does not fit into my camera. So anyhow, let me just rip the pack. It came in a black bag too, so not like this, but I have that taken out already. And let me get this off here. Okay, let's see what we got. So normally I use my white one, which is way smaller than this. This just barely fits on my desk here. The size of it is 48 centimeters wide and 32 centimeters deep this way. So it has quite a few features. You see all the pockets here that you can put something in. You have pockets with lids here, which are kind of nice. It's really nice. It's just not just flappy, but I like it. It's really high quality. So now you got some, as I saw it, let me swing over here. It's got some magnetic pads here, as you see. Here, and you got pockets again here. You got some small pockets here. This one is magnetic too. And here you got some nice holes where you can stick your tools in it, which I kind of like. Yes, it works. Let me... Sorry about the jerkiness of my tripod. Okay, you got some rulers, circuit board location area, it says here. And this thing really sticks to the table too. I can even not lift it up. And as you know, my beautiful motion control screwdriver. Hey, it holds. Yep, and I'm not worried that it's gonna flip maybe to the front but not to the back. So that kind of works too. Anyhow, maybe not the smartest thing to do it over there. Anyhow, this is a real nice silicone mat. Screw position. What else can I say about it? Oh, here we have another small magnetic. I don't think this is magnetic. Yep, it is magnetic. Anyhow, I can even stick all my bits in here. Yeah, I might use this one too. I like it. So, does it work as a mouse pad? No, not really. It's too sticky for that. Anyhow, thank you very much, Banggood. Okay, here you can see the measurings. You got it in inch and centimeters, of course. A little dirty here, but it wipes just off. That's what I like about my white one, which is way over here, as you see. And this one really is easy to clean. So anyhow, this is really nice. You got many pockets where you can put all the small things in there, like I have. See, my GPS modules, my screens, and whatnot. Even my LED track fits in there. See? So anyhow, I really like this. And can I stick my flashlight anywhere? No. Doesn't matter. Anyhow, this is a silicone mat. The link will be in the description and you can go buy it, get it from Banggood. I have ordered this, it got sent to me on January 17th. Today is the 29th. Again, guys, 12 days. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but it's right there. I ordered, or it got sent out the 17th, along with the microscope I have yet to unpack. It's been sitting here, this little guy, little tiny, so this is next. Anyhow, I do like this mat, but I might repurpose it for my pick and plate. Oops. Oh, thank you, tripod. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you're still alive. My camera is. Anyhow, I might repurpose it. Oh, excuse me, I got it the right throat again. For my pick and place machine that I'm building. And we'll see. Anyhow, thanks for watching and for your support. Take care, everybody.